In the 21st century, technology has advanced at an unprecedented pace, leading to some of the most significant inventions of our time. From the palm of our hands to the roof of our homes, these inventions have changed the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. In this video, we'll explore 12 of the most groundbreaking inventions made in the 21st century. We start with the device that's practically an extension of our bodies, the smartphone. With its ability to connect us to the internet, allow us to communicate with anyone, anywhere in the world, and keep us entertained with endless apps and games, the smartphone has revolutionized the way we live our lives. Speaking of connectivity, the rise of social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram has also been a game changer. With these platforms, we can connect with friends and family, stay informed about current events, and even build businesses and personal brands. The push for environmentally friendly transportation has given birth to the electric car. These vehicles are powered by electricity, cutting down on emissions and helping to combat climate change. With the introduction of Tesla's Model S, electric cars became more mainstream and a viable option for everyday consumers. Gone are the days of renting movies or waiting for them to air on TV. The rise of streaming services like Netflix and Hulu have revolutionized the entertainment industry, giving us access to a vast library of movies and TV shows to watch whenever we want. Drones have become ubiquitous in recent years, used for everything from delivering packages to capturing stunning aerial footage. These unmanned aerial vehicles have opened up a whole new world of possibilities for businesses and individuals alike. With 3D printing, we can bring our ideas to life in a way that was previously impossible. This technology allows us to create 3D objects from digital designs, making it possible to print everything from prosthetic limbs to airplane parts. Virtual reality technology has taken gaming and entertainment to a whole new level. With VR headsets, we can immerse ourselves in virtual worlds, explore new places, and experience things we never thought possible. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are changing the way we live our lives. From chatbots to self-driving cars, AI is becoming an integral part of our world, making tasks easier and more efficient. The rise of cloud computing has given us access to massive amounts of computing power without the need for expensive hardware. This has made it possible for businesses of all sizes to store and process data more efficiently. Wearable fitness trackers like Fitbit have become hugely popular in recent years. These devices allow us to track our fitness goals, monitor our heart rate, and even track our sleep patterns. Blockchain technology has the potential to transform the way we do business. This decentralized ledger system is secure and transparent, making it possible to conduct transactions without the need for intermediaries. Biometric authentication, such as fingerprint scanners and facial recognition technology, have made our devices more secure than ever before, ensuring that only authorized users can access sensitive information. All of these inventions have had a profound impact on our society and will continue to shape the way we live and work in the future. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more daily fun facts and to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.